Good Midwest morning, everyone. This is Nicole. Your mobile blog is for toctown.com. Just wanted to come to share with you the final results of my planning in pockets calendar I'll be using for 2023 from DIY Fish. Just wanted to give you a full view of how it printed. This is the original measurement. Mind you, I think it's at 94%. I'm going to try and print it at 100 or at least 110 because it's kind of too small for my liking, because a pocket or field notes, as you may know, is 3 by 5 and this is a little bit smaller. So what happens is when you're punching holes, if you have a hole puncher, it's going to be off line. So I'm going to try and adjust it a little bit and let you know how it looks with the final flip through right before 2023. Alrighty, until we meet online or face to face again, be blessed.